Hi guys, it's me, Naomi, and this is not my gluten-free kitchen. I am taking care of a kid with the flu, actual flu. So our recipe will be delayed until next week, and I was hoping you would tell me your favorite flu remedy. Remember, I have a lot of allergies, so I need something that is dairy-free, gluten-free, onion-free, garlic-free, and preferably food color-free. If you can go ahead and put your best remedy in the comments section below, it would warm my heart. Now next week I am going to be making either my mom's famous tomato mac or my famous, okay, not famous, but going to be famous, lemon chia seed or lemon poppy seed muffins. So when you're telling me the best thing to do for illness, why don't you go ahead and let me know which one of those you want me to make next week, okay? And don't forget, subscribe to my channel and like, share, and comment for this for a chance to win a free Instant Pot, okay? I love you. I hope to see you next week if I don't get the flu, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.